Imagine being told that the future of food lies in bugs, tiny crawling critters that could save the planet and feed the world. It's a bold claim, but is it true? Advocates for bug farming argue that insects are the ultimate solution to protein shortages and climate change. But this narrow focus ignores the bigger picture. What about the sustainable food sources we already have, like eggs, dairy, and well-managed livestock? These staples have fed people for centuries and continue to be some of the most efficient and environmentally friendly options available. Let's break down why bug farming falls short and why diverse, time-tested food systems are the smarter choice for the future. Bug farming is often touted as a sustainable solution due to its supposed low resource use and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. On the surface, this sounds promising, but the reality is far more complex. Advocates for bug farming tend to focus narrowly on insects as the answer to environmental challenges, overlooking better and more established solutions. Eggs, dairy, and livestock offer complete nutrition, cultural acceptance, and proven sustainability. Bug farming, by contrast, faces challenges like high energy requirements for climate control, specialized feed needs, and complex processing. These hurdles undermine the claims that bugs are a universally eco-friendly option. This tunnel vision distracts from optimizing food systems that are already feeding billions efficiently. Eggs and dairy are some of the unsung heroes of sustainable nutrition. Chickens, for example, require minimal space and feed while producing hundreds of eggs each year. Dairy animals like cows and goats provide milk on an ongoing basis, offering renewable sources of essential nutrients like protein, fats, and calcium. These foods deliver a complete balance of vitamins and nutrients that bugs simply can't match. Moreover, eggs and dairy are deeply ingrained in global diets, making them culturally accepted and easy to incorporate into meals. Unlike insects, which must be harvested and replaced in cycles, chickens and dairy animals offer continuous production without requiring slaughter, further enhancing their sustainability. Livestock often gets a bad environmental reputation, but when managed well, it can be a powerful force for sustainability. Regenerative grazing practices, for example, allow animals to naturally fertilize the land, improve soil health, and even sequester carbon from the atmosphere. Grazing livestock helps maintain biodiversity by supporting grasslands and preventing invasive plant species from taking over. Additionally, livestock can thrive on marginal land unsuitable for crops, making efficient use of resources that would otherwise go unused. By focusing on sustainable livestock practices, rather than shifting to bugs, we can harness the benefits of animals within their ecosystems while producing food in harmony with nature. Bug farming also comes with hidden environmental costs that are rarely discussed. While insects can be raised in small spaces, they require specific conditions, warm temperatures and high humidity, to thrive. Maintaining these conditions on a large scale demands significant energy, particularly in regions where outdoor farming isn't feasible. Additionally, farmed insects often rely on specialized feed to grow quickly and remain safe for consumption, adding to their environmental footprint. Bugs also require extensive processing, such as drying or grinding into powder before they can be sold. These added steps increase both costs and energy use, making bug farming far less sustainable than its advocates claim. Instead of betting on insects as the future of food, we should focus on creating diverse, integrated food systems that build on what already works. Regenerative agriculture can improve soil health and reduce environmental impacts, while circular farming systems can integrate livestock in ways that close nutrient loops. For example, manure from livestock can be used as fertilizer for crops, reducing reliance on chemical inputs. Flexible protein sources, including eggs, dairy, legumes, and even insects in niche roles, can provide a balanced and resilient approach to feeding the world. By looking at the entire ecosystem of food production, we can create systems that are both environmentally and nutritionally sustainable. While the idea of eating bugs may seem innovative and forward-thinking, it suffers from environmental tunnel vision. By focusing so narrowly on insects, we're ignoring the more effective, proven, and culturally accepted food systems we already have. Eggs, dairy, and well-managed livestock offer renewable, efficient, and nutritious solutions that fit seamlessly into existing diets. Instead of chasing the next trendy food fad, we should invest in improving and expanding the sustainable practices that have fed humanity for generations. The future of food doesn't have to be crawling with insects. It's already in our kitchens, on our farms, and rooted in the natural systems we've been managing for centuries. Let's focus on what works and build a future that's truly sustainable.